Hello everyone and welcome to this edition of Tech Tips. In this episode I'm going to show you what's the best option for placing a bridging type with punch holes and bridging clips in MWF. So this is pretty simple and straightforward. First I'm going to create a panel using the default template, and I've already applied an opening marker to this opening. So now I'm going to select a member, go to Properties, Miscellaneous tab, and Whole Series. So what I'm going to do is creating my punch out type, which in this case is a slot hole. I'm going to call it SH and add it. Then I'm gonna edit the shape of the hole, center, 1.5, and diameter as well. I'm gonna save, and I'm gonna close this dialog box. So now we can go ahead and create our bridging types. For that I'm gonna go to horizontals. Now I'm gonna set the start and end point of my bridging from E1 to E2, and I'm going to select a CRC channel for the bridging type, and I want to have clips. So for the clip family I'm going to select bridging connector, the family that does not come in the box, and I have created that based on the default clip. At this point I don't want to place caps, so I'm gonna deactivate this option, but I want to have punch holes, and by activating that you'll be able to select the hole type that we just created. And here you can set the height of the bridging. I'm gonna leave it at 5 feet and hit add. So the configuration has been added to the list. I'm gonna hit close, I'm gonna hit OK, and the panel will be regenerated. And there we go, we've got our bridging, punch outs, and the clips. So that's it. Hope that helps.